gptalk is a GPT-3 API-driven client for Windows and Unix that supports both text and speech as input modes, in any language, but that's not all. gptalk allows you to customize the behavior your virtual human will have during the conversation. You can set some parameters such as its name, its age, its gender and its mood, e.g. happy, angry, disappointed, nervous, euphoric. Also its hobbies and its species. In fact, it doesn't necessarily have to be a human being, but for example, it can also be a cat, a dog, an alien or everything else. Everything that is said between you and GPT-3 will be remembered in the future conversations with the conversation context too. The memories can be saved in one file which you can then export, move and re-import in a later time. To use gptalk you will need Python. In this video I will show you how to install Python and use gptalk. Before starting, subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter to receive more news in the future. Well, first go to Google and type Python. In the first result click on download the latest version. On the page that opens, click on the yellow download Python button. Click on the file you just downloaded. Make sure you uncheck the box that says Add Python to Path. Then click Install. Copy the path to the folder you just created. In the Windows search bar search for CMD and click on Command Prompt. Type CD and paste the path to the folder you just copied. Copy the path to. Alright, now let's install gptalk. Type pip install gptalk and hit enter. Wait for completion. Hopefully you shouldn't get weird errors. If so, go to description and join the Discord server where you will be helped. Now follow the video to see how to set up gptalk and start it. Type Python. Then, type import gptalk.gptalk. as GPT-3. Now type app equal to gpt3.configure and enter your API key like in the video. Set the language you want to use by entering the respective language code. Find all the language codes in the description. Set the input mode, which can be text or speech. Now set some details of your AI, then save. When you save, a new memory file save. When speech. Now set some details of your AI, then save. When you save, a new memory file will be created in the same folder you are using. This file contains your AI information, but it doesn't contain the language and your API key that must be entered each time. But coming to Discord, we will explain how not to repeat it every time if you want. Just ask.
Hello. Hello.
What do you want? Speak now or forever hold your peace.